All right, so when I got the parts, I realized I ordered the ones for the rear ABS setups, and this car does not have it. You can see the difference. So instead of returning them, instead of going on a mission and not being able to fix the car today, I looked at it and I decided I'm gonna cut that off, because at the end of the day I cut it off and it'll look just like this one, and it'll fit and it'll do the same deal. And when I went back and looked on Rock Auto, these were actually cheaper than these. So it's one more step, but it cut pretty easy. I cut the other one, I'm gonna show you that, and that's it. We're gonna get to it. All right, so please guys, I don't care what jack you use, I don't care if you have this or not, you could do it by hand too. It just takes a little bit more effort, but always put a jack stand, always, just in case. Don't do it with just the jack, especially if you're using one of those little worm drive jacks that comes in the car. Yeah, use a jack stand. So for the drum, if the drum feels like it's a little seized on there and you can't get it off, which that one's not, tap it with a hammer lightly. If you don't have a rubber hammer, if you have a rubber hammer, you can bam, bam, bam. Okay, now from here it's quick. There's only 4 bolts holding this hub bearing on. So see this, the biggest hole here? That's gonna allow you to access the 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna allow you to access all 4 of those. Whatever you're using, if you're using hand tool with the extension, doesn't matter. You could do it all. You could do it either or. But I have this, so it makes it much faster. Okay, now we're to the part of cutting this gear off the new one. So this gear is, I guess, for a sensor for the anti-lock brake system, but this car doesn't come with it. So if we just notch that off, it's almost identical to the other part and it'll work just fine. So I'm gonna modify that instead of returning them and waiting for the new one so that this can get done today. So now we just put it back on. As you can see, there's only one way this goes: the wide spread up top, the low spread on the bottom. Make sure you torque them down good, because it's what's holding the wheel on the car. And let's see the old one and the new one. I just cut it and now it'll fit. So now putting the drum back on. You could, if you wanted, clean up in here, some brake parts cleaner, get it all nice and clean. A lot of people Alright everybody, thanks for tuning in to another one. Like I always say, like, share, subscribe. I'll keep doing projects, I'll keep doing clip reviews, I'll keep doing whatever. Go to scissorhands.com, check out my merch. That'll always help the channel, that'll help me keep going, that'll help me fund other projects that I want to do in the future, you know, bigger stuff that costs more to do. So yeah, we'll catch you next time.